it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm very excited today to be here to share the Lace and Bling It Challenge from Amy Love. Hi, Amy. I am very late doing this video because Amy put her video up like 2 weeks ago, but you know, girl, it happens. So I'm here now and I'm doing it, and I was tagged by Judy Holdenreed. Hey, Judy, to do this video. So Amy's challenge I will link in the description box down below. Excuse me. And what she asked for was lace embellishment, but I've seen people make all kinds of different things for the challenge. So I ended up making a fabric tussie mussy because I just love tussie mussies. And so that's what I ended up making. And the challenge is to make, like I said, make the fabric embellishment or pretty much anything you want. And then with laces and bling. And then if you wanted to show off some of your bling. So I thought it would be fun to make a tussie mussy and then fill it with bling. So you can see all the yumminess in there. So I'm going to take my bling out and show you that first, because a lot of these pieces I've kept for a very long time because they're just special to me. This first bling piece is a fairy sitting on a crystal ball, and this was gifted to me from Karen Billinger. Thank you very much, Karen. I just love her so much. I've never used her on a project because it has to be something just special and right. So I do have an idea for her though. So you might see her on a project soon. And then Amy gifted me this um, last year. It's a very long piece of pearl and rhinestone bling. She actually sent me a few pieces of this, so I'm saving this for something special as well. So thank you, Amy. Now this I've had in my stash forever. It's a vintage brooch that I got at a thrift store. I have had it on a project before, but the project went by the wayside. So the back is off of it, but I love it. I love the color. I love the pearls. I love everything about it. So that's that piece. And then this piece was gifted to me from Shannon, formerly Morris's Arts and Crafts, and I believe she's Gothica Roses now. So I've kept this from Shannon because I just love it. These are like opal amethyst, kind of. That's what they remind me of. And then the beautiful bling. Gosh, I hope my camera will focus. And this was also gifted to me from Shannon. It's Marie Antoinette. I really hope this will focus. Sorry for the light. So there's that one. And then this was also gifted to me from Amy. It is gorgeous. It is a beautiful vintage blue bracelet, blue rhinestones. I absolutely adore this. Yes, I've worn it. I love it so much. So I've never done anything with that yet. This I got also at a thrift store, and I've had it for probably 10 years. And I consider cameos bling, but I just love this of the two ladies with the dove. I love cameos, especially vintage ones. So that is another one. And then this Amy sent me as well. It's another vintage brooch with a man and a lady on it. And this is bling, one of my favorite blings from my store, which is the most sparkly, glittery butterfly. It's so sparkly. And it's Aurora Borealis at the top and then the clear bling at the bottom. Come on, camera. Focus. Hopefully it will. Sorry if it doesn't. But you can see how blingy that is. I love, love, love that bling. And then this was gifted to me. I've never used it, quite a while ago. And you can put an image inside it. I think it's an Arctic cake. You put a photo in it. and you can see all the bling around it. So I've never used that yet either because, again, it needs to be a special project. And then last but not least, I have this really huge big bling. And I think you probably saw these last month from my designers. I gifted my designers each one of these, and I gifted myself one as well. It's very big, so it will go on a very special project, but you could take it apart as well. That's the thing with bling. If it has pieces on it like this, you could take apart, and this you could take apart. So yeah, those are some of my favorite blingy pieces. This you could take apart in 3 pieces, the pearl, the bow, and then the big round piece. So you can take your bling apart. Don't be afraid to do that. So those are some of my special bling pieces. But yeah, I love cameos. I think they might be my favorite type of bling. I just love them so much. So those are some pieces that, like I said, that are very special to me and some of my favorite bling pieces. So on to my lace Tussie Bussy. I printed off this image from a shop on Etsy, and I will link that shop down below. But she like does exclusive sort of Marie Antoinette themed digitals. I can't think of the name off the top of my head, I'm sorry, but the link to her shop will be in the description box below. So I printed it off. It was a Tussie Mussy, and I thought it'd be cool to do it in fabric. So that's what I did, and after I printed it off, I put some felt behind it, and then I put this beautiful satin that I have in my shop on the other side of it. And then the seam binding is from my store. And what I did was it was white seam binding, and I just dyed it with my sprays in pinks and blues to pick up on the pinks and blues in the Tussie Mussy. And then the bling, the butterfly, and then this bling are from my shop, as are the ribbon roses. I used the same seam binding here for the hanger. And then the white tulle is from my shop. I just put that on the inside all the way around. And then this lace here was gifted to me from Amy Love. Thank you very much, Amy. Oh, and one other thing about Amy that I want to share. Amy has some bags of laces in her shop. Let me just grab this other one here. She has snippet bags, and then she has bags that have like full yardage in them. And this is the link to Amy's shop, well, the name of Amy's shop, Amy Loves Designs. Whoops. So you can see there, but again, her shop will be down below as well. And then you get the really pretty bag, and then it's filled with snippets. So that is what the lace is from, these 2 bags that you've seen me using lately. She sent me 2 of the bags, so thank you for that very much, Amy. And they're beautiful, beautiful snippets. Absolutely gorgeous laces. So thank you for that, Amy. And then the bigger bag has full yardage in it. So you can go over to her shop and check out these. I used to sell snippet bags in my store. I'm no longer selling them, so you can get them from Amy. And here is that pink lace that was in the yardage bag. I still have some left, and I absolutely love this lace. So thank you, Amy, for those. So yes, go and check out Amy's shop for those. And make sure that you check out Amy's challenge video. It is, again, going to be linked in the description box below. And I'm going to tag 2 people. I'm going to tag the lovely and talented Karen Billinger. So Karen, if you want to do the Lace and Bling It challenge, that would be great. And I'm also going to challenge Roxy Car 11, Roseanne, hey guys, to do the Lace and Bling It challenge. So all of the links to Amy's Etsy, her challenge video, and the digitals that I used will be in the description box below. So go over and check all of that out and have fun with the Lace and Bling It Challenge. It's such a great idea to do that. It's fun, and yeah, you get to show off your beautiful blingy pieces. And who doesn't love to look at bling? So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back with another video soon. Take care, everybody.